6 months after its establishment, the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, says despite its efforts, the high level of indiscipline in the society continues to make their job difficult. The JCF branch was mandated to bring order to public spaces, but the blatant disregard for the law by motorists continues to take up most of the unit's man-hours. PSTEB was launched on October 29, 2018. According to branch head, Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Allen, while road construction work in the corporate area created an initial challenge in September, that is now under control. Nonetheless, indiscipline among road users continues to be high.
At the end of last year, we prosecuted 528,000 breaches of the Road Traffic Act. And in the first 45 days of 2019, that is January up to the 15th of February, we prosecuted over 76,000 breaches of the Road Traffic Act. So
he surmises that the high number of tickets indicates that the PSTEB officers are not only out in numbers, but are enforcing the law. But over 500,000 tickets in less than 6 months suggests that PSTEB is having little or no impact on road indiscipline. We asked ASP Allen what will make the difference.
One word: consequences. You take up this pen now, it is $1,000 to take up this pen. Tomorrow morning, it is $25,000 or $30,000 to take up this pen. You're not going to touch it. So it is the consequences that is going to make the difference.
He says he has come to that conclusion because despite their presence and enforcement, drivers seem to have no issue with getting and paying tickets.
And to realize, this morning I sent out some officers at a particular area, and within this space of about an hour, they prosecuted so many persons for disobeying the red light. Just this morning. Right? So it is the consequences. So $2,000 fine is what some persons see as chicken feed. So when they start to now hear about $1 million, or when they start to hear about 6 months, then automatically people are now going to start to drive like Miss Daisy.
He again points to the new Road Traffic Act, which should come into effect soon, as the solution.